If you want sweet beats, we got some.
Welcome to NatureJams.net, home of the music duo Nature Jams. Nature Jams was created by Mr. Rob, a school-age music teacher, and by Zach Layden, a song-savvy ornithologist, with the goal of teaching children healthy lessons through music. Through highly interactive concerts, Nature Jams provides memorable and meaningful musical experiences that teach children positive lessons about food, nutrition, the environment, kindness, and music. The duo released their first full-length album in February 2013. The album Food for Thought focuses largely on nutrition and is the basis for Nature Jams' premier interactive concert, Food for Thought. Nature Jams also offers a character education program called Be Kind, an environmental awareness program called Earth, 'Cause It's Our Home, and a music appreciation program called Sweet Beats. Their family-friendly interactive concerts combine the best elements of a live musical performance with the best elements of a school-age classroom through HD video backdrops, music and movement,
Elbows back, feet apart, knees together. Take a shower. La 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 la.
call and response choruses, Kadai method music instruction, audience-supported visuals,
Who digs earth said we dig earth.
and other wacky musical devices. Nature Jams keeps kids engaged for an hour-long learning experience. Nature Jams brings its shows to schools, concert halls, and events of all shapes and sizes. For school assemblies, Nature Jams provides your school with CDs ahead of time to introduce the material to students. For more personalized settings, Mr. Rob brings similar programs in the shape of music classes or music therapy to schools and centers throughout Delaware. With the consistent goal of making memorable learning experiences for people of all ages, Nature Jams is currently developing lesson plans and activities to supplement Food for Thought. For more information, visit our services or contact page. Have a smile!
Have a smile on your face. Have a smile on your face. Have a smile.